How to use my Bitmoji avatars on Snapchat. In this video, I will show you how to use your Bitmoji avatars on Snapchat. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, so let's jump straight into it. First, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged into your account. From the main screen, tap your profile picture or Bitmoji in the top left corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on your Bitmoji avatar or select Create My Avatar. This will open a menu with different options for customizing and using your avatar. From here, you can choose options such as Change Outfit, Edit Avatar, or Pose and Background, depending on the version of Snapchat you're using. You can also select different Bitmoji poses and styles to personalize your avatar. Once you've chosen the avatar or pose you want, simply save your changes. Your updated Bitmoji will then appear across your Snapchat profile and other supported features. So that is how to use your Bitmoji avatars on Snapchat. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.